like as to make our appetites more keen, with eager compounds we our palate urge. As to prevent our maladies unseen, we sicken, to shun sickness when we purge. Even so, being full of your ne'er-cloying sweetness, to bitter sources did I frame my feeding. And sick of welfare, found a kind of meekness to be diseased, ere that there was true needing. Thus policy in love, to anticipate the ills that were not, grew to faults assured, and brought to medicine a healthful state, which rank of goodness would by ill be cured. But thence I learn and find the lesson true. Drugs poison him that fell so sick of you. I bloody love cake. And this is pretty good cake, if I do say so myself. Is it posh to eat cake with a fork? It's not like I used a palate cleanser first, you know, to prepare myself for the sweetness of this lovely chocolate cake. I could eat so much of this cake. I could eat it till I'm sick. Romans used to do that, didn't they? They used to eat so much and overindulge so much that they'd make themselves sick so they wouldn't feel as poorly later. And I've always thought to myself, what a bloody brilliant idea. Why don't we use that idea when it comes to love? See, I am full of the sweetness of our love, the sweetness of you. And I know it's sweet because I've had less good experiences before. So when compared to other people, you're amazing. But you can have too much of a good thing, and I don't want to suddenly feel like I need to be with someone else. So I thought, well, if I'm with other people now, and I know that they're less good than you, then we can stay together forever. So I won't feel that need later on. But love's not food. And that idea is bloody stupid. And I think I've ruined our relationship. I bloody love cake. Is it posh to eat cake with a fork?